Hi, I'm attorney Robert J. Skowronski. One of the most exciting aspects about bankruptcy is the flexibility that this law gives to clients to accomplish their goals with their homes and other real estate. Bankruptcy is not a cookie-cutter, one-size-fits-all law that dictates the same solution for everyone. There are literally so many options and opportunities for clients in bankruptcy that they can usually custom fit and choose the outcome that best meets their needs. Because there are this many options, we won't be able to review all of them. Rather, we'll focus here on just the 4 most popular options clients have with their homes in bankruptcy. Probably the most common options that clients choose with their homes is to keep the home and pay their mortgage unchanged as if they never filed a bankruptcy. You see, most clients file their cases because they can't keep up with their credit card payments, or because their credit cards are keeping them from paying their mortgage. The mortgage usually isn't the problem. So the bankruptcy does its job by wiping out the credit card debts, and they keep paying their mortgage just the same as they always did. And after the bankruptcy, they can do whatever they want with their home, whether that's to keep it, sell it, refinances, or whatever they please. The point is that in most cases, clients don't involve, so to speak, their homes in their bankruptcy. Another popular option is to actually save the home from a foreclosure by filing a bankruptcy. Often these days, clients lose their jobs temporarily and stop paying their mortgage simply because they can't afford to do so. But many of these clients have every intention of catching up on their mortgage once they find new employment. The problem is that when you've missed enough payments, many mortgage companies become very unreasonable and simply won't work with you. While you may have been thinking that once you find the job, you'll be able to strike up a deal with the mortgage company to make your regular mortgage payments plus something up each month extra until you catch up, this is often not allowed. In many cases, the mortgage company wants the lump sum of the entire amount you are past due, plus interest, late fees, and all other kinds of costs. They won't take your regular payment and a catch-up amount over time. And if you cannot pay what they're demanding immediately, things just get worse when they file a foreclosure. Because in a foreclosure, not only are you under a short time limit to fully catch up by paying a lump sum, but also the amount needed to catch up is larger because it now includes the mortgage company's attorney's fees and foreclosure costs. And when clients cannot pay this amount but want to save their homes from foreclosure, they often file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. This allows them to spread out and pay back the amount they're behind on their mortgage over a period of up to 5 years instead of all at once. So it offers a reasonable way to save their home. A third popular option is to make the home more affordable by chopping off the second mortgage in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and leaving the first mortgage unchanged. After the recent collapse in the housing market, many homeowners found themselves in a situation where their homes were worth a lot less than the values of their mortgages. Now, while many simply walked away from their homes because it did not make financial sense to keep them, others decided to keep their homes and make them worthwhile investments by chopping off the second mortgage. Now, this relief is only available when the first mortgage itself is worth more than the home. In such a situation, everything past the first mortgage, even a second or a third mortgage, can be chopped off. And the result is that after the bankruptcy has been completed, a client now has a home that they're able to afford because they have one mortgage instead of 2 or more. As an added benefit, they much sooner have equity in their home. A fourth popular option is to simply let the home go without consequences by including it in a bankruptcy and avoiding a foreclosure deficiency judgment or tax consequences. Often clients purchase their homes when their lives are stable and everything is going good. Sure, that mortgage may be expensive, but it's no problem when the income is enough to support it. But then something unexpected happens. A job loss, reduction in hours, illness, a divorce, or any unexpected event can make it so that the mortgage is unaffordable. The home now becomes a weight around their neck, and they want to let go of it before they drown financially. Other times, individuals buy a home as an investment. They thought that the home they purchased would rise in value, but sometimes the opposite happens and prices plummet. So now the home is just a drain rather than an investment, and the client wants to let go of the home. In such cases, often a bankruptcy offers a more attractive route to getting rid of the property than a foreclosure or a short sale for two reasons. First, if you let go of your home through a foreclosure, you should know that Illinois is a deficiency judgment state. What that means is that if you lose your home in a foreclosure, the unpaid mortgages are still your responsibility. So if you had a mortgage for $300,000 and your home was sold in a foreclosure auction for $200,000, in most cases, the lender can require you to pay back the other $100,000. In a bankruptcy, however, you avoid this deficiency judgment because your responsibility for all of the mortgages is wiped out once you receive a discharge. Second, if you get rid of your home through a vehicle like a short sale instead of a bankruptcy, you're likely facing a hefty tax bill from the IRS. You see, in a short sale, the mortgage company is agreeing to forgive a portion of your mortgage, but the IRS is not so nice. The IRS treats the amount forgiven as income to you. They then add that amount to your gross income from employment or other sources, and you pay income taxes on it. So for example, if you had $100,000 forgiven by your short sale, and you're in a 20% tax bracket, get ready for a tax bill of almost $20,000, plus interest, penalties, and fees if you can't pay it immediately. Bankruptcy, on the other hand, is a non-taxable event. So if you let go of your home after filing a bankruptcy, you won't get a tax bill. So if you have real estate and you need help with your debts, call me, attorney Robert J. Skowronski, at 773-283-1600, so we can meet to discuss your options in detail. We'll plot a course to accomplish your goal. And I'm sure that you'll find that bankruptcy is such a broad and wonderful law that it will help you achieve your goals like you never thought possible and like nothing else can.